What is up, guys? Welcome back to Triboli's Garage. As we left off, we pulled the cab off on this truck. Today's to get some more progress. First step, I'm gonna clean all this mess, get this rolling chassis out of here first, get the cab on the ground because I really don't want to leave this thing levitating in the air for a while. It's also kind of in the way. But as soon as we get all that, we're gonna start tearing apart the motor, so let's get to that. So I made a little oopsie last night and I left and I didn't really pay attention. One of my fuel lines are sitting lower than my fuel cell, so half of it leaked everywhere. So I'm just gonna drain the rest of that's in my fuel cell. Drain that, go to the store and buy a lot of Speedy Dry. Alright, shop's extremely clean now. We got the LBZ, the cab just tucked away in the corner. I put it on some dollies. Right there, I put it on 3 dollies, just rolled it over out of the way. We got some of the main pieces there. We're not even gonna reuse half of that. And the heart of operations. I'm gonna start off, sorry for the heater noise. I'm gonna start off untangling all that wires and try and make that a little bit more simple so then we can start taking off the top end apart. I got most of the harness out of the way now. It's that big mess over there. Now I'm gonna work on taking all the top parts of the motor off. First gonna start with the that turbo, and then just keep working my way. That's our first set of carnage. Look at all that metal. I don't even know where that came from. Both my turbos are good. Let's take out this manifold real quick. I'm just gonna break these all loose. Alright, that was surprisingly. Oh, let's pop this baby out. Oh yeah. How should I grab it? Holy shit. Holy shit. That is some gnarly damage. Holy crap. Oh, there goes that valve. Holy shit. Holy shit. Time to pop out this side. I'm sure this side's perfectly fine though. Yep, this side looks fine. In your truck. Alrighty, sorry about the kind of skipping around. The battery ran out of my camera, but we got the trans out of there. It's right there. Just kind of out of the way with all the other parts I got going on. Now we got the motor ready to pull. I undid all the motor mount bolts right there, like my storage. Just gonna pull this right out. Kind of the same thing as last time. I gotta go find bolts for the engine stand, and we're pretty much ready to go. These bolts are definitely a little too long, but they'll work for now. Learn from my mistakes, right? Well, here's the final step. Let's get to it. Start. Oh shit! Let's go. We got the crank. Holy shit! These things are. That's the golden crank right there, baby. Well, and that is wraps. Well, this is the final result. This piston's obliterated. Block looks fine. From the naked eye, the block looks fine, but I'm still gonna send it out, get it all checked over. But this is where we're at. Just bare block. Everything's apart. Honestly, not even quite sure exactly what my next step is, besides like getting the block figured out on the truck part, whether like clean the frame, slap the cab back on, start doing roll cage. I don't know exactly where I'm going about that right this second, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned because we got a lot of projects and a lot of things going around. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. Till next time, peace.